Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a wire cage for a small clear quartz point. And to make the cage you will need 14 inches of 20 gauge wire, a chain nose pliers, and the quartz point is an inch in length, and you are also going to need a round nose pliers or a bail making pliers. I'm going to use the second step on the bail making pliers to make a loop, and this loop is what I'm going to use to connect the pendant to the chain. And now that we've made our loop, we're going to coil the longer end of the wire around the loop. I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger to push the longer end of the wire towards my left, and the chain nose pliers to push the loop towards the right. We're going to coil the wire until we've got roughly about 8 inches remaining. After coiling this end, we're going to move on to the other side. With the first coil facing towards us, we're going to make a loop away from us. We're going to use our round nose pliers to make a smaller loop, and this end is what we're going to use for the bottom of the cage. Then we're going to use the chain nose pliers to coil the wire just the same as we did before. And now that we've finished coiling the wire, we're going to use our chain nose pliers to push out the coils like so. At this point, we're going to add our quartz point like so, and this is where we made that smaller loop. And then we're going to take the larger end of the coil and take it over to the back of the quartz. Now we're going to pull the coils close to each other to close the cage, and you are going to do this until you're basically satisfied with the end result. Remember the first coil that we made? We're going to use our chain nose pliers to pull that out, and this is what we're going to use for connecting the pendant to our chain. So I'm just pulling it out like so, and I'm going to center the loop so I can connect the chain to it. If the coils are not sitting tight enough around the crystal, what you can do is twist the coil in the opposite direction to make them a lot tighter. So this is how you can make a cage for your small gemstone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.